On October the 24th, 2003, a strange silence fell over the Atlantic. The Concorde touched down for the very last time, and with it, the dream of supersonic travel was buried. For over 20 years, humanity did something it had never done before. We went backward. We traded Mach 2.0 for fuel economy and cramped seats. The world got bigger, and our lives got slower. But as we stand here in 2026, the silence is about to be shattered. The legend didn't die. It was just waiting for the technology to catch up. A new era is roaring to life on the horizon. Why did we fail the first time? The answer isn't in the engines, it's in the physics. When a plane breaks the sound barrier, it drags a shockwave across the planet. A sonic boom, so violent it shatters windows and panics cities. This was the Concorde's prison. It was legally banned from flying over land. It was a beautiful engineering marvel, but a financial black hole that drank fuel like a supernova. It was too loud, too expensive, and too elite. By the early 2000s, speed was a luxury we could no longer afford. But while the world slept, aerospace engineers began to rewrite the laws of aerodynamics. Fast forward to 2026. Meet the Boom Overture and NASA's X59 ***. These aren't just planes. They are sound shapers. Engineers have finally solved the 50-year-old puzzle. How do you fly at 1,300 mph without waking up the neighbors? By stretching the nose into a needle and precisely sculpting the wings. They've turned the sonic boom into a sonic thump. It's the difference between a lightning strike and a car door closing. This breakthrough is the golden ticket. It means supersonic flight is no longer restricted to the ocean. For the first time, we can fly faster than a bullet over New York, Paris, and Dubai. This isn't just a prototype, it's a business revolution. United and American Airlines have already placed their bets, ordering fleets of these supersonic giants. We are looking at New York to London in ** 3.5 hours **, Tokyo to Seattle in ** 4.5 hours **. These jets are designed to run on 100% sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, ending the war between speed and the planet. In 2026, time is no longer our enemy, it's our greatest asset. You can cross an ocean for a business lunch and be home to tuck your kids into bed. We are witnessing the second jet age. The sound barrier is no longer a wall, it's a gateway to a closer, faster world. The skeptics said it was impossible, but the engines are already warming up. Next time you look at the sky, you might not see the plane, you'll just hear the echo of the future passing by. 3 minutes, one sonic revolution, solved.